possibility of heart disease and heart attack. So a lot of benefits in this pistachio. So my amigos and amigas, let me share with you what are the benefits of eating a pistachio. Okay, number one, it helps in weight loss. So my amigos and amigas, if you are chubby like me, of course, pistachio is what we need. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a review for a sponsored product from FAIRPRICE, my amigos and amigas. Here it is. It's a FAIRPRICE unsalted pistachio. So they give me this, my amigos and amigas, to take a review. And with this letter, of course, that congratulations, you got the product to review it. So here it is. Thank you very much for sponsoring me this product. So my amigos and amigas, I will just tell you about the pistachio. I mean, what are the benefits? And inside of it, of course, we're going to eat it. So before we start, my amigos and amigas, let me tell you about some facts about pistachios and the benefits. Actually, I write already, my amigos and amigas. You won't mind, right, if I read it in front of you. Here it is, by the way, the product, the sponsored product, a FAIRPRICE unsalted pistachio. Oh, this one. So it says, my amigos and amigas, unsalted pistachio is the sources of healthy fats. Meaning, my amigos and amigas, it's healthy. I mean, it's good for our body and contribute towards a healthier heart. So it mainly contributes to our heart, my amigos and amigas, because it reduces the possibility of heart disease and heart attack. So a lot of benefits in this pistachio. So my amigos and amigas, let me share with you what are the benefits of eating a pistachio. Okay, number one, it helps in weight loss. So my amigos and amigas, if you are chubby like me, of course, pistachio is what we need, because my amigos and amigas, pistachio is rich in fiber. It contributes to weight loss because it will suppress your appetite in a healthy manner. Not that some weight loss so fast like that, but in time by time, it will suppress your appetite by eating this pistachio, my amigos and amigas. Reduces appetite and also rich in fiber. Remember it, my amigos and amigas. It is the best snack option that will keep guilty eating at a bay. So if you're like keep eating and eating, my amigos and amigas, this one you should try, because you will not feel any guilty at all, because the more you eat a pistachio, the more you contribute a healthy way in your body, and also at the same time you will lose weight. So that's the number one benefits. And number two benefits, my amigos and amigas, lower blood sugar levels. Why, my amigos and amigas? Because another miraculous that a pistachio can give is we can consume it regularly if we have a type 2 diabetes, my amigos and amigas. It's effective in regulating blood sugar. So that way it can maintain the normal blood sugar in our body. Okay, the number three is makes digestion better, my amigos and amigas. It's a good source of fiber, like I told you before, and it helps better passage of stools and make digestion an easier process. So my amigos and amigas, by eating pistachio, we will not have a constipation, because I told you pistachio is very rich in fiber. So by consuming it every day, more easier stool passage like that will be. By consuming pistachio, my amigos and amigas, it helps prevent us from constipation and diarrhea. So it's very healthy in a good way. So number four, my amigos and amigas, the benefits of eating pistachio every day is very important for me, because I have a long hair. It makes our hair more stronger and shinier. Why, my amigos and amigas? Because it is rich in biotin, by the way. Biotin helps combat hair loss. So hair loss that we became so bald hair, or also thinning our hair. So pistachio is the key for it, to make our hair more stronger and shinier. So it nourishes hair, making the strands more flexible. More flexible means, my amigos and amigas, it makes our hair stronger from the tip to the end of it. So eat pistachios, my amigos and amigas. Number 5, by the way, it prevents premature aging. It moisturizes and nourishes our skin. Of course, my amigos and amigas, we cannot prevent our aging in our skin because as we age, our skin became more less elastic like that, so not that young looking. So by eating pistachio, it will make our skin more elastic, young looking. Okay, yes, I'm kidding. Okay, so that's the 5th benefits of eating pistachio. So my amigos and amigas, let's try eating pistachio. Here it is. Oh, by the way, my amigos and amigas, before we try, let me show you the nutritional information in the pistachio. The back here. Very good one. This one. Okay. So, oh, it's in the front, I guess. It's in the front. Okay. So it's very healthy. Let's try. Here, my amigos and amigas. Okay. First try. Okay. Pistachio. So done eating, my amigos and amigas. So let's review it on what can I say on this pistachio. Unsalted pistachio from FAIRPRICE. So what can I say, my amigos and amigas? It's really yummy and the taste is really good, as if it's freshly baked. Oh, because it says it's freshly baked, but really, honestly, it's crunchy and yummy. The taste is good. And number 2 that I really like is the scent. While eating, getting here, my hand picking here, it has a scent, my amigos and amigas. I cannot describe what's the scent. Yeah, it has a scent. It's like a very fresh, like that, very fresh. Aroma of freshly baked pistachio. That's what can I say about this. I like the smell. And number 3 that I noticed is some of the pistachio, my amigos and amigas, it's not open. I mean, like this one, I show you. The other pistachio in this pack is open like this, very easy, and the other is not yet cracked. I mean, not yet open. Yeah. So yeah, see? Yeah. Crack and I crack. So it's kind of difficult for me to crack it in my teeth. Of course, if you're having difficulty because it's really hard, I prefer the pistachio being open like this in the pack, but the others are not. But still, I really love it as a snacks, of course. That's what can I say. And can I say the packaging, of course, my amigos and amigas, is I really like because it's an airtight. See, It's an airtight. If you cannot finish the whole pack, you can just seal it again. It's like a ziplock, by the way, here. So seal it like that. So I really like it. Seal it. And my amigos and amigas, while eating this a while ago, I think it's very ideal if you eat this while studying, of course, because it is a pistachio. One of the benefits, by the way, is good for your brain, good for the brain in memorizing like that. So I remember my college days, of course, eating pistachio or nuts. So, and watching TV, of course, you can substitute your snacks for pistachio while watching some Netflix or other movie, because it's really nice. Or share it with your boyfriend or some friends with it while watching TV. It's really nice, my amigos and amigas. For me, my amigos and amigas, I would really recommend this unsalted pistachio because it's very healthy and it has a lot of benefits. I only mentioned to you some 5 benefits, but really a lot of benefits that I searched. Okay, so my amigos and amigas, try this pistachio, FAIRPRICE unsalted pistachio. Try it. My amigos and amigas, if you like to try this unsalted pistachio, you can buy at FAIRPRICE supermarket. It only costs $4 or $4.50 or $60. It's really affordable. You can consume unsalted pistachio if you really are hungry. You can substitute. It can suppress your appetite that if you really feel hungry. So I might try this again next week and buy, because the benefits of it, of course, my amigos and amigas, it's weight loss. I need to lose weight, right? So try it if you want to go in a weight loss and have a nice hair too. You can try this one. FAIRPRICE supermarket. Okay, $4.60 or $50. Very, very, what's that? Very affordable. Okay, so my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me, and thank you very much for sponsoring me this unsalted pistachio. Okay, now I will eat again because I cannot help myself. Okay, it's really yummy, my amigos and amigas. So bye, thank you.